Meet Akila. She loves to watch Asian dramas in her free time. Most of the dramas she enjoys are from Thailand. Unlike dramas from South Korea and Japan, Thai dramas are hard to find, mainly because it's rarely available with English subtitles. Akila knows of sites that have Thai dramas with English subtitles, but let's be honest, those sites don't have every Thai drama. Akila once saw an interesting teaser trailer promoting a new Thai drama and started looking for it everywhere on the internet. To her disappointment, she found none, and even if she did find it, they would not be available with English subtitles. Thanks to internet bloggers like iHeartLakans.com and Jasmine Lakan, we as fans were able to access and download the links to Thai dramas with subtitles. Unfortunately, not all the links work. They are either broken or missing. This is a huge problem for Akila and for many Thai drama fans who cannot speak or understand Thai. Searching and researching for your favorite shows on the internet can be tiring, frustrating, and sometimes a waste of time. Speaking of a waste of time, Akila has to wait a while for an episode to come out with English subtitles. Sometimes she waited for months. Doesn't that just make us more anxious to know what happens in the next episode? So, Akila and the rest of us acknowledges these problems. Why not do something about it? Why not create a streaming site that can answer all our problems? A site that can have Thai dramas with high-quality English subtitles, streaming videos with HD resolution, daily or weekly drama updates with English subtitles. Say no more to low-quality videos and no to waiting for what seems like an entire life for the next episode. To make this happen, we need to start a campaign. A campaign works because it is organized in a way to make us all take action toward a common goal. That goal is to develop a site that services us, the Thai drama fans. Join now by submitting requests on what shows you want to see that are not available in HD resolution with English subtitles. This will let us know how many fans like Akila are with this campaign and can help drive this to the next level and make this happen. Join the RES campaign.